Some of the clients that we're working with in Australia are chemical manufacturing firms, aeronautical firms. We've worked with commercial dry cleaners. We've worked with property owners and developers. They often will come to us with some of the more complex issues. So things like NAPL, for example, the non-aqueous phase liquids. They often will come to us as requesting auditing services. We have some very talented auditors in country, and the work that we often help them out with is a lot of remediation focus. So we are able to translate what we've learned in the North America field and R&D and the technology development that we've done and translate it to the Australian marketplace. And we are trying to bring some of these innovative solutions to a market which hasn't really had a lot of that being done in the past. So really trying to come up with these innovative solutions that are cost effective and will work within the regulatory environment as well to help our clients get through the cleanup notice process. I think our differentiator in Australia is really having this really good scientific backup to the work that we do. We understand the fundamentals, the fundamental science behind the issues that our clients are dealing with, and we keep up on top of all of the kind of latest research, and we're able to bring some of these more innovative solutions to the work that we do there. And I think that is a value that we bring to our clients that isn't necessarily as available in the Australian marketplace. We've also been working a lot with some regulatory agencies to help them kind of understand some of the issues that they're dealing with and help them also find solutions too.